Welcome to Kate's Nest Guesthouse, your serene escape in the vibrant heart of Oshakati. Conveniently located, we're just 1.7 kilometers from the Oshakati Golf Club. Relax in our lush garden or take a refreshing dip in our outdoor swimming pool, perfect for escaping the heat. Experience the comfort of our well-appointed rooms, featuring air conditioning, free Wi-Fi, and private bathrooms. Selected rooms even come with a fully equipped kitchen for your convenience. Discover a blend of comfort, convenience, and local charm at Kate's Nest Guesthouse, Oshakati. Book your stay with us today for an unforgettable experience. Visit our website to reserve your stay.